And here it is. This is the other side. This is going to be the right side of the car. So that side. And this is the head that I just finished. And this has the same issue. You see it? Right there. If you tighten this down, you're going to have that same wiggle. So that is no good. So I haven't hogged it out yet. I gotta get it bigger. So I gotta get this right here. You see how big it needs to be? Alright, so anyways, this is the first thing we're gonna do on this. Let me show you how to fix this. First thing first, we have to color this up. That's the first thing you gotta do. And then the marker, where you at? Where you at? Right here. Where you at? Right there. So we're gonna color this completely. This marker's running out. And then we're gonna I'm sorry this video is too long. Let me get another marker. It's too cold. Here you go. So why we color this? I'm gonna show you. Give me a second. It's not our arts and craft. Okay, here we go. This color. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna put it. This is a glass back behind this. It's a glass. So glass. Let me get a longer one. I used that one yesterday, and it wasn't as long as I would like it. So glass is really straight. So there we go. You're gonna pinch it right there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place this right here, and you're gonna rock it back and forth as level as you can. And it's gonna show you exactly the contact pattern. You see it right there? So it's contacting here and here. Everything else is not. So you got to get that. You got to sand it all the way down to where everything touches the whole entire face. Touches, or the paint is gone. That way you know you have a perfect seal when you put it. And yes, of course, you could put a bigger gaskets. Yeah, absolutely. Why not? But you still have that. If you don't get it straight, you're not doing anything really. So I do have a mill there, but I don't have a cutter. I wish I had a cutter, and I just can cut it flush, and that's it. I'm done with it, but don't have it. So I'm gonna start the video, and I'm gonna show you later when I finish doing this right here. Okay. All right, guys. So as you see, look at how nice and clean that edge is. Perfect. And then when you set it here on a straight surface, you got no rocking motion. It's perfect. So that's the way you fix something like that always check it, because you can run your carburetors and then you'll have an issue with your carburetors for days and you cannot find what's wrong with them. And this is what's wrong with them. So just you know, check them. It's easy. Just put them flat on a flat surface. If they don't rock, they're good. If they do rock, that's all you got to do. So let you go, guys. Bye.